While hepatitis requires medical treatment, certain natural remedies can help support liver health and overall well-being. Here are some effective options. Dietary changes. Focus on a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Foods high in antioxidants, such as berries and leafy greens, can help protect the liver. Turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Incorporating turmeric into your meals or taking it as a supplement may support liver health. Milk thistle. Milk thistle is known for its liver protective properties. It contains silymarin, which may help regenerate liver cells and improve liver function. Consult a healthcare provider before use. Green tea. Drinking green tea can provide antioxidants that may help reduce liver inflammation and support overall liver health. Garlic. Garlic has been shown to have liver protective effects. Including garlic in your diet may help improve liver function and boost the immune system. Meditation and stress management. Practices like meditation can help reduce stress and anxiety, which is beneficial for overall health. Stress management techniques can support the immune system and improve well-being. Acupuncture. Acupuncture may help boost the immune system and improve liver function. While more research is needed, some individuals find it beneficial as a complementary therapy. Hydration. Staying well hydrated is essential for liver health. Drinking plenty of water helps the liver flush out toxins and supports overall bodily functions. Avoid alcohol and toxins. Avoiding alcohol and minimizing exposure to environmental toxins can help protect the liver from further damage. Regular exercise. Engaging in regular physical activity can help maintain a healthy weight and improve liver function. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. Important note: while these natural remedies can support liver health, they should not replace conventional medical treatment for hepatitis. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new remedies, especially if you have a liver condition. Proper medical care is crucial for managing hepatitis effectively.